Welcome back to Asian Kitchen Paper. Today we are looking at Karaage, Japanese fried chicken. Let's go! Start off by chopping your chicken. Get rid of the skin because fat, and into bite-sized pieces it goes. Choppity chop. Now it's time to make your marinade. Add in soy sauce, salty, fancy pureed garlic. From a tube, pureed ginger too. Cursory mixy mix. Lovely. Now prop in your meat. Appetizing. Stick your meat in there. And coat everything. Grab another bowl. Add in starch. And fry for dipping. Dip each piece just before frying. Marinated meat, starch. Fry. Yeah, dig? Time to fry. Keep an eye on the temperature. The more you add, the color the oil gets. And be careful. Ready to plate up. Lemon's end. And ta-da, chicken. No need to add salt, just plate up. Make a little mountain of these guys. Or pop them onto individual serving plates. So no one takes more than they should. Taste time. Itadakimasu. Oops, almost forget the lemon. Squeeze that bad boy everywhere. Keep your mind out of the gutter. Thank you. This smells great. Now we are ready. Let's begin. Itadakimasu. Ah, so good. Crunchy and juicy. I'm gonna go eat all of this. Till next time.